Hi Besties, I'm Jen.
And I'm Shannon. Welcome back to the Calm and Chaotic Connection.
We're best friends. We're completely opposites. Shannon is scared of chickens. I am scared of calipers.
Calipers.
Which is weird because I am crazy and wild and unpredictable like a chicken, and she is precise and methodical and exact like a caliper. But we're scared of each other's animal form.
This background is reminding me of when we first started our channel, and it was in my room with just crap behind us.
When you first moved in. And now okay.
All right, it's still June in our world, and we've got Allure. Because life.
Because life in June.
I moved. Jen
Graduation party,
graduated,
birthday party. Two graduated. My oldest boy and my youngest boy graduated the same 2 days.
Yes. Do you remember what the choice thing was?
No.
Okay. Oh, this.
Yes.
Okay, so it's here. You go. What did you get? Oh, this is the First Aid Beauty After Shower Nourishing Body Oil. You chose between this, the Brightening Micro Powder Exfoliant, KP Bump Eraser, which I'm surprised you didn't get, or Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer.
So,
you like an oil.
let me just tell you, Shannon got me hooked in Dominican on body oil type of cleansers.
This is after shower, so this is not cleanser.
And that's fine because I love the way I felt in the Dominican. I would normally choose the body exfoliator, but I buy that anyways.
So
and I know I love it.
This is a chance to try something new without paying full price for it.
So, yeah. So I'm super excited about this.
So this does it say what scent it is? Because it's purple.
No, crack her open.
It's got orange peel oil.
I hope so.
Limonene, citrus lemon peel oil, tangerine peel oil, spearmint leaf oil. I'm looking for lavender because it's purple. Sunflower seed oil, olive oil, apricot, jojoba, grapeseed oil. I see 0 lavender things.
Okay.
I can't get that off. Oh, I got it. Ooh, that smells lovely. Yeah. Actually reminds me a lot of the...
Ooh, it smells like orange.
Yeah.
It's very citrusy. I love it.
fresh and clean smelling.
Yep.
Ooh.
Wow.
I hope you like it.
I do too.
never
If not,
know
I know where I'm bringing it.
You never know with First Aid Beauty.
Yeah.
All right. So this... Oh, wait. That retails for... Hold on. The body oil, $36 for 6 fluid ounces, which is the size $36 bottle of oil.
Wow.
I don't think it's that big.
It's not very big at all.
Okay. The next one is Lunar Nectar Futurized Botanical Retinol Alternative Boosting Serum. So it's a retinol alternative. I have something in my eyeball.
Do I like retinol alternative?
You like retinol? This retails for $49. Not every face can tolerate the power of retinol, but most can appreciate its more sensitive, skin-friendly alternatives like bakuchiol.
Who?
Bakuchiol.
Oh.
The plant-based ingredient is packed into the serum to help target fine lines and smooth texture, just like the vitamin A derivatives.
Guys.
Why is it so stuck in there?
It's tight.
Oh, look, Rose.
Rose, we do have our shivs. We just don't know where they are yet.
They're in a box, if you could see around us.
It's not pretty yet.
This is my whole house in a room. Okay.
Wow. Oh, okay. Is this the same brand when I had that really purple and you were like, it's going to make you look like...
Oh.
Yeah. I think this is the same brand.
Because the
Luna Nectar.
it was really purple.
It was really purple. This is a really purple serum. I'm sure it's fine. What is it doing?
Botanical Retinol Alternative Boosting
Okay.
Serum with rose hips and bakuchiol.
I mean, okay, right?
Okay. They
Sure.
didn't waste any money on packaging. This box,
There's not a single dollop
you
of
have to
air.
open both ends to get that airlock to let go. All right, here's this next one. This is the Aceology Here We Glow Berry Mask.
Oh,
We've tried this.
I think you're right. And I think I liked this.
This is,
Here we glow.
are you ready for the price?
Yes.
$69 for that.
What in the hell is this? Here we glow.
Why
berry
you want me to
mask.
read why you love it?
Yeah.
This berry yogurt lookalike may not be edible, but it certainly offers impressive antioxidant perks just like the juicy fruits. Made with kaolin to deep clean and 5 different berries to fight free radical damage, wrinkles and dark spots. This face mask gives tired skin a boost, leaving it with a soft radiance. Slather onto freshly cleansed skin. Make sure to apply it evenly from forehead to chin. Grab a spot on the couch, catch up on your favorite feel-good show, and welcome your new glow after 20 to 30 minutes.
Okay.
So it's like a full-on mask treatment. That's $69. You're going to use that twice.
Yeah. Yeah, because it usually goes from forehead to shoulders.
Yeah, get your boobies in there.
Mm-hmm. If my boobs are up here next video, you'll know that we pulled this out. So Aceology is a brand that I actually really enjoy, and I think they're incredibly underrated.
They're not underpriced.
No.
This is L'Atelier Parfum Care de Petal Hair and Body Mist. They're doing more and more of these hair and body mist things. We've gotten a lot of them.
I don't know what that means.
This is a 10 ml bottle. 50 mils is $57. So that's $5.70 worth of perfume.
Okay.
Right?
Math.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah.
If you've ever been to Paris, you've likely strolled through the lush Jardin de Luxembourg. If you haven't, a spritz or two of this flowery fragrance with notes of rose, violet, and jasmine will instantly transport you to the iconic garden's sprawling flowers and fruit trees. I don't think you're gonna love it.
As soon as you said rose.
You want to spray it right into the...
I don't hate it.
It's very floral, but it's not very rosy.
I don't hate it at all, but it's...
I definitely am getting like the jasmine violet
Yeah, I'm getting violet.
more than the rose.
Yeah.
I think it's fine.
Yeah, I think it'll be okay. I don't see myself pulling it out often.
It's definitely a summery scent.
Yeah,
Like,
it
this
is.
is what you would wear to Kaylee's wedding.
Yes,
Pretty-
when
she
I want
wants-
to be very appropriate.
And she wants us to wear pretty floral dresses, so I feel like a pretty floral scent
Yeah.
would be perfect. to
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
go. All right.
Okay.
This next one is David's Hydroxy Whitening and Enamel Health Peppermint Toothpaste.
Okay.
A 4-ounce tube, which is
Oh my gosh.
3 times the size, is $10.95.
For toothpaste?
Yeah.
This ain't your mama's crest.
No, it's David's.
Yes, it is. Have you ever used this?
No.
Me neither.
Who says oral care can't also be chic care? This is a travel size toothpaste.
Perfect.
David's mint green tube is filled with SLS-free peppermint paste that makes the twice daily chore of brushing your teeth look and feel a little more elevated. Be
Sure.
fancy brushing your teeth. Oh, your box contains one of these next 2 on this page. So I'm like, there's 2 here. But it does say the box contains one of the 2. So you got Paul Mitchell Clear Jelly Mask. Dry hair, there's a mask for that. Fighting dullness, there's the same mask for that, and it's this one. With a fragrance-free formula, this translucent jelly-like treatment adds hydration and gleam to hair without fuss. You're probably not going to use this. It's $30 for 8 ounces. That's 2 ounces. So that's $7.50 worth of hair gels.
You want to try this?
After shampooing, rake in the gelatinous goop with your fingers, then leave on for 5 to 15 minutes, depending on your hair's needs. So it's a hair mask situation. Yeah, I'll try it.
Okay.
You're not going to.
I'm not going to.
It's for sensitive too. I don't know.
What is sensitive hair?
It doesn't say anything about that. But you can receive 20% off of Paul Mitchell through the end of July with code Allure at
Okay.
paulmitchell.com. Okay.
So what do you think of this box, Shannon?
I think this box was okay. Like, this looks like straight up hair gel, but it says it's a mask, so it's still.
Yeah, I don't trust it.
When I thought it was hair gel, I wasn't thrilled for you, but
Mm-hmm.
a hair mask is a little bit different.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not excited that you got toothpaste.
I'm actually okay with the toothpaste. I'm thrilled with this. I'm thrilled with this.
Yeah,
this
this
I'm
is
curious
interesting.
about.
The perfume's fine.
The perfume is fine. The toothpaste I'm gonna use.
Yeah.
I mean, the majority of it is full-size products. I cannot complain about the box when I paid what I paid.
When this is $70 worth of face mask for $30.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't think.
Is there a standout here? Probably not. Maybe this, but that's my opinion.
Probably this.
Probably that, but it's fine.
Yeah. It's not exciting, but that's Allure. Allure is not usually terribly exciting. It's fine, but you get a lot of value for the price.
And I get usable stuff.
Yeah.
I get stuff that I will use. So, yeah, I mean, I'm not complaining at all.
I don't think anybody can.
No.
Do you get Allure? Can you complain? Let us know in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe and ring our ding.
Ding the ring-a-ling.
We'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.